Picture this. You have just $100 in your pocket. Not enough to buy a fancy gadget, take a vacation, or even cover a month's worth of groceries. But what if I told you that with the right strategy, discipline, and patience, you could turn that $100 into $10,000? Sounds impossible. It's not. In fact, people have done it before. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, we're breaking down the smart investing principles that can multiply your money exponentially. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first investment or someone trying to grow a small amount into something much bigger, this guy will give you a clear roadmap. We'll explore different investment strategies, risk management techniques, and mindset shifts that can make a huge difference in your financial journey. And the best part, you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. You just need to start. So let's dive into it. The power of compounding. The first 10 most important thing to understand is the power of compounding. It's often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. Compounding is when your investments generate earnings, and those earnings generate even more earnings over time. Imagine putting $100 into an investment that gives you a 10% annual return. After the first year, you'd have $110, but instead of taking out your profit, you reinvest it. The next year, you're earning 10% on $110, which brings you to $121. By year 3, you have $133, and the cycle continues. Over time, the growth accelerates. This is why starting with even a small amount, like $100, can snowball into something much bigger. The key is patience and consistency, choosing the right investment vehicle. Not all investments are created equal. Some offer high returns but come with high risks, others are more stable but grow slowly. Here are a few options that can help turn your $100 into $10,000. 1. Stocks and ETFs. The stock market is one of the best places to grow your money over the long term. A well-diversified portfolio of stocks or ETFs can provide steady growth. Here's how you can get started with just $100. Fractional shares. Many brokerage platforms allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need to buy a whole share of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla. Index funds and ETFs. Instead of picking individual stocks, consider investing in an S&P 500 ETF. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged around a 10% annual return. Dividend stocks. These stocks pay you a portion of the company's profits. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your gains. 2. Cryptocurrency. Crypto is known for its volatility, but it has also created massive wealth for those who invested early. If you're willing to take on more risk, allocating a portion of your $100 to crypto could be a good strategy. Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the most established cryptocurrencies with long-term growth potential. 3. High-return side hustles. Investing isn't just about stocks and crypto. Sometimes, the best investment is in yourself. With $100, you can start a side hustle that generates income, which you can then reinvest. Reselling items, buying discounted products and selling them at a markup on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace can quickly grow your money. Freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer services in writing, graphic design, video editing, and more. Print on demand. With just $100, you can create and sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. The idea is to turn that initial $100 into $500, then reinvest that into higher return opportunities. For real estate crowdfunding. Investing in real estate usually requires a lot of capital, but with crowdfunding platforms, you can start with as little as $100. Real estate investment trusts REITs. These are companies that own income-generating real estate. They often pay dividends and provide long-term appreciation. Crowdfunding platforms. Sites like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with a small initial investment. Real estate provides a steady source of passive income and can be a great way to grow your money over time. Risk management. Protecting your investment. No investment is without risk. The goal isn't just to make money, but also to avoid losing it. Here are some key principles to protect your investment. Diversification. Don't put all your money into one asset. Spread your investments across different areas to reduce risk. Risk tolerance. Understand your own ability to handle losses. If an investment is keeping you up at night, it might be too risky for you. Long-term mindset. Short-term market fluctuations are normal. Focus on long-term growth instead of daily price movements. The people who succeed in investing are those who stay consistent, avoid panic selling, and keep reinvesting their profits. Scaling up. The snowball effect. Once you've grown your initial $100 to $500 or $1,000, you can start scaling up. Here's how. Reinvest profits. Instead of spending your earnings, reinvest them into new opportunities. Increase contributions. As your income grows, allocate more money to your investments. Leverage your skills. Use the money you make to acquire new skills or start bigger projects that generate higher returns. This snowball effect is what turns small investments into life-changing amounts over time. Final thoughts. The key to financial growth. The journey from $100 to $10,000 isn't about luck, it's about strategy, discipline, and patience. Imagine if you had started this journey 5 years ago. Where would you be today? The best time to start was then. The second best time is now. No matter how small your initial investment is, the key is to get started and stay consistent. Even if you don't hit $10,000 exactly, you'll have built the habits, knowledge, and confidence needed to create long-term wealth.